Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I have amazing game-changing news. This right here is like that NBA Streets V3 when you get your game breaker and you stand at the top of the court and now you just taking ankles, bro. What is up, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day. Me, ain't gonna hold you. This has been, channel is growing. You guys are loving the content, so that's another reason for me to come back and give y'all another video for today. So, as you can see in the title, I'm super excited. eBay is coming back in the game in ways I've never imagined. Shout out to all my OG sneaker buyers. You already know the vibes. You know the vibes, bro. You know what's up. eBay was single-handedly dominating the game. When it comes to sneakers, the best way to buy sneakers was eBay. I kid you not, man. So many of these shoes in this collection, as you see today, came from eBay. I tell you guys all the time, I started my collection off very heavy into foam posits. I know it's not a popular shoe now, but if you love sneakers, you cannot tell me foam posits was not popping 2012, 2013, 14. That's like during the time where I started like just collecting the foam posits, and I mainly got all of them from eBay. eBay was so big to me, I actually had full-blown relationships with some of the buyers that I used to buy from, to the point where we swap numbers. Before they post on eBay, they send it to me. I actually have full-blown friendships from just buying so much on eBay from the same seller, and you get like a rapport. You're able to talk about prices and the whole nine. So before I do the video, I want to shout out my boy, A Sneaker Life, man. He had dropped a video like this yesterday. Check it out if you get a chance. And it just had me going and had me thinking about all the possibilities that could actually happen for eBay if they do it the right way. Now listen, y'all know it's only right, okay? This is how we gonna do it. If you ever bought anything, and I mean anything from eBay, I don't care if it was a sneaker, a lamp, a poster, you name it. eBay used to be what Amazon is today. So I know just about everybody has bought something from eBay. So if you ever bought something from eBay, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. You already know how we rocking, man. Everybody bought something from eBay. I'm expecting at least 1,000 likes, because at least over 1,000 people in this video right now have bought something from eBay. So the deal is eBay is taking away the sales fees, okay? So if I was a seller, okay, and I was selling a pair of sneakers on eBay, there's no fees. I get all of my bread, you know what I'm saying? I get all of my paper. Why is this important, okay? Why is this such a game changer? Because eBay has been easily removed out of the situation whenever you think about relevancy when it comes to selling your sneakers. It's a competitive game. I tell people all the time, the reason why Wendy's has a 4 for $4, it's not because they love us, okay? They don't care. It's because Burger King is across the street, McDonald's is across the street, and we need you a reason. We need to give you a reason for you to come over here. Look, I'll give you some fries, a burger, something to drink, and some nuggets, you know what I'm saying? Come rock with your boy, you know what I'm saying? That is the good part of competition. Competition saves us money. Competition gives us great deals. So, in this world of competition, eBay has become irrelevant. Nobody really shops there. Occasionally, you might see somebody here or there, but majority is GOAT and StockX. Those are the two most dominant reselling or buying, whether it's consumer or if it's seller. That's usually what we're using. Anytime we're looking at anything, we're usually referencing something from GOAT and StockX, and it's been that way for a while now. eBay has been removed, and they came back with a vengeance, because right now, okay, everybody's selling a lot of shoes. I'm gonna be posting a lot of my shoes that I don't wear or I don't need on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, then follow me. Everything is linked down below. It'll take you directly to my Instagram and directly to my Twitter. I appreciate you guys for that. But I'm gonna be selling a lot of sneakers, and the reason why I don't sell on StockX and GOAT, I'd rather just sell through my Instagram, because I don't like the fees taken out. So eBay doing that is helping out people like me. I need every dollar. I'm not gonna hold you. Some people might not think it's a big deal. Some people might not care. Me, I need my bread. Catch is the sneaker has to be over $100. So I'm known for getting steals. I used to be one of those dudes that wait till like the last minute, like this close, and just hurry up and bid, get a steal, get a sneaker for about $40, 50 bucks. That's worth way more. So you don't really get to protect your fees unless it's over $100. But for the most part, I mean, how many sneakers are we selling for less than $100? Even if it's a steal these days are $100. It's not less than. Like, if you can get an Air Jordan for $100, that is definitely a steal. So it still works out for the best. I just didn't want to leave out that part because I know a lot of people might be going crazy. Yes, so the sneaker has to be $100 or more. In addition to that, eBay is also linking up with Stadium Goods, which is one of the bigger reseller consignment stores that we probably have. We're already under the works of a lot of conceptual drops. They got something called Copper Drop where eBay and Stadium Goods are getting together to drop a lot of sneakers. They're also doing something for Yeezys, I believe it's called like Yeezy Week, where you can get a selective group of Yeezys for under retail. It's a lot, man. It's a lot of great news, especially for us, the people who are involved, the people who want to be a part of what's going on. Now look, okay, you know your boy Snipe. I'm gonna give it to you as clear as day. It's a lot of good, but it also is a lot of bad, you know, and I gotta break it down for y'all as clear as I possibly can. So what a lot of people don't know is eBay, the real reason why eBay kind of got excluded out is not mainly because of the competition standpoint of selling and buying. There's a middleman process that eBay has never gave us. It's because eBay is not specifically sneakers. Even though StockX does other things besides sneakers and gold as well, eBay has a plethora of things. You can buy newspapers, you can buy a chair, you can buy a living room set. They don't have a middleman process for sneakers. And so many people were getting scammed from eBay. I've got scammed multiple. Oh, let me zoom in real quick. Multiple times from eBay. It's a part of the thing. So usually what you would have to do is before you buy a sneaker, you would have to look at that seller, look at the reviews, how many stars he has, how many items has he sold, and all of that stuff. When it comes to StockX, that's eliminated. When it comes to Go, it's eliminated. You don't have to worry about who's selling the shoe because if it's not correct, you're getting your money back. They're gonna ban the seller. Like, you're protected. Also, a thing that happens with StockX and what happens with Go is your identity. Okay, so if you buy an Air Jordan 3 right now from StockX, Wale could have sold you that pair. You don't know. Like, the seller is protected. His identity is protected. Now, when it comes to eBay, I won't say you're exposed, but I mean, you got a username. You can tell who you're buying from. You can always make up an alias if you want to, but I'm just saying it's just good peace of mind knowing that you're protected as far as the seller as well. The seller and the buyer are both protected. When it comes to eBay, there's no middleman checking anything. So somebody can say, hey, look, you know, here go a pair of Yeezys. You open up the box and you got Timberland boots. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. Like, it happens, man. It happens. I remember I got LeBron 4s. They right up there. I don't even want to grab them because I'm too lazy. I ordered a pair of LeBron 4s from eBay and the guy told me they were a size 12. I opened up the box. It is the LeBron 4s. It's the right condition. Everything was right except it's a size 15. What am I going to do with a size 15 LeBron 4? I don't know if y'all know how big LeBron 4s are, but they're already bulky. What I'm doing with a size 15? I even called eBay, told them I made a huge, what do you want to call it, complaint, and I was basically stuck with the shoe. I still got the shoe to this day right now. There's nothing I can do with it. I thought about selling it, but I'm like, hey, forget it. You know what I'm saying? I got it for a steal anyway, but it's not the case. The case is, it's very risky buying or selling on eBay. It's always been. So whenever something more secure came like Golden StockX, we kind of ran to it because it gave us that safety blanket that we've never had before in the sneaker community. I don't know what to expect. I don't know if this is going to be something that continues to continue to grow. How will people adapt to it? Maybe people are still too skeptical about the process that goes into authenticating shoes because it's an epidemic right now. Listen, it is an epidemic. Buying, it's to the point where now, to be honest, if I'm not getting from retail stores, I'm thinking twice, man. It's so hard. These fakes are getting so close. As y'all know, I'm not a big fan of paying resale because, you know, your boy Snipe, you know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna give you $600-700 off the top, I gotta know it's 100% legit. I can't imagine how my soul would feel if I leave a situation spending $800 and I bring these back to the crib and they full. Like, bro, I'm gonna spin the block. Like, they can't be full, bro. Like, they gotta be real. Just knowing that that's a possibility, I don't even want to entertain it. And a lot of people don't. I mean, a lot of people so stuck in their ways, and it happens. Like, no shot at StockX, no shot at Go. I'm pretty sure fakes have got through. It's been proven. The chances are a lot slimmer through those companies than eBay. I definitely respect what eBay is doing right now because they have to get their relevancy back and I feel like this is one of the best ways to go about it. It's holiday time. People are buying, they got Christmas money, and also people are selling. They got to get Christmas gifts, and more importantly, always recycling their sneakers. We always going to go through things. Oh, I don't need these, I'm not wearing these, and it is a great option. eBay is now a great option to sell your shoes, but I don't know, man. This is a conversational piece. I didn't want to just make it about my beliefs or what I think. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know, what do you think about eBay dropping seller fees, teaming up with Stadium Goods, all of the changes that's coming very, very soon. I'm very excited to see what you guys have to say, and I'm also excited to see what eBay has to give. I'm gonna be reading all these. You know your boy Snipe, man. I'm leaving hearts, man. I'm reading all the comments, so I'm kind of, I don't know, man. It's kind of up in the air for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And do not forget to head down below, follow me on Instagram. Also subscribe to the channel, man. The channel is growing. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys rocking with me, man. I really, really do. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.